Good morning, my dear children. In this session, we are going to see trigonometry theorem 3.2, Napier's formula. In triangle ABC, we have the first subdivision. Tan of A minus B by 2 is equal to A minus B divided by A plus B into cot C by 2. Now let's see the proof. It is given in the triangle ABC. So draw a triangle ABC. Draw a triangle. Name the vertices as A, B and C. And the angles also. Name it as A, B and C. And mention the sides as opposite to the vertex A. Name it as small a. That is the length of BC is A. Opposite to the vertex B is the length, you assume it as B. The length AC is B. Similarly, opposite to the vertex C, this side, you assume it as C. That is the length of AB is small c. And already you know that the sum of the angles of triangles is 180 degree. That is angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Or we can write plus 5. Now let's see the proof. Now take the right hand side. In right hand side you have A minus B divided by A plus B into cot C by 2. Now already have learnt in sine formula. What is sine formula? A divided by sine A, which is equal to B divided by sine B, which is equal to C divided by sine C, which is equal to 2r, where r is the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle ABC. Already have learned this in sine formula, and this can be written as A by sine A is equal to 2r. That is, we can write A as sine A multiply பண்ணிடுங்க. So we have 2r sine A, and similarly in the place of B we can substitute 2r sine B. Similarly we can write C as 2r sine capital C. Now let's substitute in the place of A and B as 2r sine A and 2r sine B, which is equal to A minus B. That is 2r sine A minus 2r sine B. 2r sine A minus 2r sine B. And in the denominator you have A plus B. That is 2r sine A plus 2r sine B, and the product is cot C by 2. So write cot C by 2. Now in both the terms you can see that 2r is common, and in the denominator also 2r is common. So bring it outside. 2r into sine A minus sine B divided by, and in the denominator also you have 2r is common. So bring it outside. We have sine A plus sine B, and here you have cot C by 2. Write as it is, cot C by 2. Now you can cancel 2r and 2r. Now this is the form of like sine C minus sine D. What is the identity? Sine C minus sine D. That is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. Similarly, observe the denominator, and this is in the form of sine C plus sine D, which is equal to 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. Now let's substitute these two identities here. So which is equal to sine C, and this is of the form D. Okay, so write 2 cos. In the place of C, you substitute A. 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 into sine A minus B divided by 2. The whole thing divided by, instead of sine A plus sine B, you can apply this identity. That is 2 sine A plus B divided by 2 into cos A minus B divided by 2. Then you have cot C by 2. So write as it is, cot C by 2. Again 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So cancel it. Now observe this cos sine. and this is angle A plus B by 2 and this is angle A plus B by 2. Since the angles are same, we have cos and by sine, which can be written as cos by sine cot, angle same article. So write A plus B by 2. And here you observe sine cos. The angles are same. Sine of A minus B by 2 and here you have cos of A minus B by 2. Sine by cos. Sine theta by cos theta by tan theta. Tan instead of theta we have A minus B by 2. So write A minus B by 2. And cot C by 2 write as it is. Cot C by 2. Now here you see we have in the form of A plus B. Now see the diagram. Look at this diagram. Since this is a triangle, already have said that angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore we can write A plus B as 180 minus C. Therefore we are going to write A plus B as, we have cot A plus B appear the poro 180 minus C divided by 2. All the other products you write as it is. Cot C by 2. 180 by 2, that is 90 minus C by 2. Inside the bracket you have in the form of 90 minus C by 2. And you know the identity, you know the formula, cot of 90 minus theta, which is tan theta. What is the formula? What is the identity? Cot of 90 minus theta, which is tan theta. And in the place of theta, you have C by 2. So write tan. In the place of theta, we have C by 2. So write tan C by 2 into tan A minus B by 2 into cot C by 2. Almost we have got the proof. Almost we have got the left hand side. Now observe this. We have tan C by 2 and here cot C by 2. We have learned that cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Or we can write tan theta as 1 by cot theta. So now cot C by 2. Now 1 by tan C by 2. Change panna pora. So which is tan C by 2 into tan of A minus B by 2 cot C by 2. We can write it as 1 divided by tan C by 2. So tan C by 2 and tan C by 2 gets cancelled. So we have tan of A minus B divided by 2, which is nothing but the left hand side. See? We have started from the right hand side and we got the left hand side, tan of A minus B by 2. Similarly, you can prove the other two results. Tan of, here you have in the form of A minus B by 2. You can prove tan of B minus C by 2. Second subdivision, the same theorem we have this. Tan of B minus C divided by 2, which is equal to B minus C by B plus C into cot A by 2. This is the second subdivision. The similar way we can prove the second subdivision also. And the third subdivision, the same theorem you have. Tan of C minus A divided by 2, which is equal to C minus A divided by C plus A into cot B by 2. Thank you, children.